This week, we got a tech tip on TIG torch tips. So here at Eastwood, we carry everything you need to replace and keep your WP17 style TIG torch up and running. We carry the collet bodies, we carry the collets, the back caps, we have a variety of tungstens. But one thing that we also carry that's a little bit of an upgrade, and it's going to help you as you progress with TIG welding, is our gas lens kits. So as you're getting into TIG welding and doing more and more advanced stuff, you're going to start doing roll cage tubing, say make your own headers or exhaust systems. You're going to get into areas where it's going to be tough to get that tungsten just where you need it. That's where the gas lens kit comes in. It lets you run a little bit more stick out and be a little bit more efficient with your gas, and it's going to give you a cleaner, nicer looking weld. So these gas lens kits, instead of having a drilled orifice along your collet body, it actually has a nice diffuser and a mesh screen that allows the gas to flow through. It's going to flow through in a laminar pattern instead of a turbulent pattern, and that's going to give you better coverage and a cleaner shielding gas. So we carry two kits. We carry a number 6 and number 8 kit, and we carry a 10 and 12 kit. Basically, the larger gas cup size, the more stick out you're going to be able to run. But you are going to have to run more gas flow as you go up in gas cup size. A number 12, you should be able to run at least 3/4 of an inch of stick out, which is going to be great for getting in those tight spots we just talked about. So for more information on these gas lens kits or any other consumable we sell, visit eastwood.com.